Alrighty, greetings and various assorted salutations. This is a prototype project. Recently, the school library gained access to drone technology, and me and a few other teachers are, well, figuring it out and getting some uses for it. And so I figured I'd make a short video, doing a proof of concept to see if we can make like a video tour of the school. And so I figured what better place to start than finding my classroom. So this is me piloting it. I'm getting better. I've gotten it to the point where I've landed more successfully than I have crash landed. So there's progress there. But this is my fine and lovely classroom. It's a huge mess, I'll be honest with you. As one student once said, it looks kind of like an Applebee's with all the junk on the walls. But, you know, that's the nature of the beast. But no, so the idea is eventually use the drones to record multiple videos of, the school tour and make it like a school promo video. So that probably won't show on my YouTube channel. That'll probably go somewhere else, more legitimate. This is just a proof of concept film to show how it all works. But yeah, so that's the plan. One limitation is the drone only has about 13 minutes of flight time, so we're going to need a lot of batteries. Hello. And, I'm going to end the video right here, because I accidentally hit stop recording. Oh well.